Coco.
That was quick. Hi everyone, we are going to draw Coco and friends. So now we're going to imagine Coco having fluffy clouds all around her. So we're going to start with the hair. And
It's not hair.
Yeah, it is.
No, it isn't. It's a fluffy cloud.
Fluffy cloud, okay. So just keep doing fluff. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Fluff it all up. Fluff, fluff, fluff. And then we stop over here because she has a cute butterfly clip with two almost half circles or semicircles.
Oh, see.
For the butterfly.
Wings.
Wings. Going to make her forehead. So watch how I do that. That's one curve. And another curve.
One curve, then another curve.
And you're going to do an eyebrow, which is slightly raised. She's excited, so that's why they're raised. And then we're going to do one more eyebrow on her other side of her forehead. Under her head, we're going to continue with her forehead or her head. Going to make a straight line from here, going down. And we're going to now start her eyes. So watch how I make her eyes. So it's going to be a semicircle.
Both of them are semicircles.
Yeah, but the first one is slightly smaller than the other. Then look at her nose. So watch her nose, make a horizontal line. And she has a very unique nose. So she has a pointy nose. So we're going to draw her nosy. And going to do an oval shape over here.
Oval shape.
And another oval inside. And we're going to color it black. And like I said, her nose is a bit pointy. So we're going to make her smile now. That goes underneath like a curve underneath her mouth. And she's smiling. So we have a nice wide curve. And then again follow her mouth and make sure that it goes underneath and out. And then make her chin. So her chin. Going to make her eyeballs. We've finished one of her eyes. So we're going to do that.
A semicircle again.
And then we're going to make above her lip, where her lip ends, we're going to make a curvy line to start her eye. And it's going to be a nice wide round eye. And we're going to make her eyelashes. So nice thick eyelashes for her. And then we're going to again make her hair. So watch how I make another fluffy. It's a round fluffy cloud. So we're gonna go fluff, 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 fluff,
Fluff, fluff, fluff, fluff,
fluff,
fluff,
fluff, fluff, fluffy, 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 fluff. So it's a fun doggy. And we're going to continue her hair on the other side with a fluffy cloud.
Fluffy.
And now we're going to try and do her body. So watch how I make her body, which is again having a little bit of fluff.
So much fluff there is on her body. It's like almost full of fluff. Fluff, 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 fluff. Fluff, fluff, fluff.
We're going to make her hands now. One hand is waving upwards, so she has very thin hands.
Because she had.
And then she has even more fluffy clouds on her hands. And then we're going to make her fingers or paws. And then we're going to make her other hand. So it's going to be a thin hand again, and it's slanting downwards, so make a pipe. And
Do the same things.
you're going to make again fluffy cloud. And you're going to finish your fingers, her tiny fingers or paws coming out.
This is a kind of funny dog.
And then we're going to make her thin, long legs that come out of her body.
Come out of her head.
And she has fluffy clouds on her body.
On her leg, everywhere.
And then she has small paws,
Little tiny one.
little tiny ones coming out of her legs. And then we are going to draw her cute little tail. So her tail is
All fluffy.
thin tail, just like her legs, very thin, very thin. And then we're going to make a fluffy
Fluff.
cloud.
This is kind of funny dog.
And now we're going to color her.
For you, have a good day, friend. See you next time for another Learn to Draw.